everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be exploring Class 8 Maths Chapter 8, Comparing Quantities. So let's begin. Now, they talked about a lot of stuff that we covered in Class 7, so be sure to check those videos out. I've got a separate playlist for that. So if you go under the playlist and find Class 7 Maths, you will find those videos. So please do watch that video. Then you will understand this even better. So let's begin. First, they talked about compound interest. This is the main topic that was really new to us. So, first, when you borrow something from the bank, like some money from the bank, you call it the principal. So if you borrow $1,000 from the bank, and then you get the interest from the bank. So they're like, I'm not just giving my money away for free, you will have to pay me back. So when you pay them back, they apply 10% more. So that would be the interest over a period of time. That could be 1 year. So 10% per year could be our rate of interest. So we call that 10% our rate. Okay? Now, we've got 10%. Now, the amount that you're going to pay back to the bank, which is 1,100 after your 1 year, you will have to pay principal plus rate. So, you will have to pay the interest and the money that you borrowed. So, that would be P plus R or I. So, we've got two types of... Oh, that's low. Let's see how much I have left. 10%, that's good. It is 10%. Anyways, let's continue. SI, which is simple compound, and CI, which is compound interest. Sorry, simple interest and compound interest. Now I've got 1 year, 2 year, and 3 year. So, if you're borrowing 1,000 rupees from the bank on a simple interest plan, then every year you will have to pay 100 more because that's 10%. Now, in compound interest, they get a bit evil. Now, what they do is that you have to pay the interest on top of your amount. So every year, your amount is increasing, so you will have to pay the interest on top of the amount. Okay? So if we have compound interest here, with our principal 1,000, the first year you will have to pay 100 more. The second year you will have to pay 110 more. The third year it will get increased. Just like that. Now, you don't want to always add up the stuff. You want to have a simple formula. So for that, we've got a nice simple formula, which is P is equal to I plus rate of interest. I is here, our interest, plus rate by 100 to the power of n, which is time. I have done this example in another video. See, we can so you can watch that video. We did that in class 7. So do check that video out. Now, percentage. They ask a lot of questions in percentage, like what is 20% of 100? But sometimes they act like twisted questions, which are 20 is percent of 100. So that can be written like X or our percent by 100. That's how you do it. Times 100 is equal to 20. Okay, that's how you write percentage. But when you don't know the X, right? So you want it to come on one side. So we put this 20 in place of X. Okay. So when this X comes over here, then our 20 goes over there. So it's going to be 20 by 100 times 100. So we cross out the zeros and it's going to be 20 times 10, which is 20. So 20% of 100 is equal to 20. Now another question can be 30% of it is 256. Now try to understand. 30% of something is 256. So what are they asking? 30 by 100 times, they don't know the answer over here, which is it, is equal to 256. Let's name this y. Now, we first want to solve this. Because what are we trying to do? If we don't want this number to go as a denominator, we always want it to be a numerator. So we divide 30 by 100, which is 0.3 or 0.33333. So instead of that, we've got just by 100. Then you've got 256, which is our number coming right over there, by 0.3, which is equal to 853.33333. So if you have 33333 to the power of infinity, then you're just going to put a dash on top of the number, which represents 33333. So you don't have to write that many times. With that, we have finished this chapter, the main topics of this chapter. This was just a revision, so do read the chapter at least once if you are new to that chapter. But for now, we have finished this chapter. Hope you understood everything. Hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.